The WW&F Railway Museum in Alna, Maine, preserves and operates a narrow-gauge railroad, the kind that once laced through rural Maine in the 1800s. What you see here isn't a reenactment, it's a working line, a real track, real engines, real skills, kept alive by volunteers and shared with anyone curious enough to climb aboard. Coal is fired, water boils, steam fills the cylinders and pushes the pistons, which turn the driving wheels. It's basic physics, translated into music. Pressure becomes motion. Narrow gauge, 2 feet between the rails, means lighter track, tighter curves, and affordable construction. These railroads served farms, forests, quarries, and the towns between. They were practical, local, and a little audacious. A museum like this anchors memory. It shows how communities moved, traded, and connected. It gives younger visitors a first conversation with steam, and older visitors a last one. And it reminds all of us that technology is culture. It shapes how a place feels, how far it reaches, and how neighbors become a network. As the engine settles, the day's purpose is clear: to let you stand close enough to history to feel its breath on your sleeve. If that feeling stays with you, the line has done its job, and there's a seat for you here, whenever you're ready to ride again. The WW&F Railway Museum in Alna, Maine.